Okay, so let's talk about intimacy because most men think intimacy is about sex. I know I did for decades and it almost killed all the affection and connection in my marriage. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach. And yes, touch, affection, vulnerability, physical closeness, these are things that matter. But if you're here, there's a deeper truth that's probably hitting you hard right now. You can't reach your wife anymore. You might be in the same room, in the same bed, in the same life, but it feels like there's a canyon between you. You try to talk to her, she shuts down. You try to initiate closeness and she pulls away. And you're just wondering, left wondering, what the hell has happened to us? Why does she feel so far away? And why do I feel so invisible in my marriage? Well, here's the real reason intimacy fades. It's something that men never hear. You can't create connection with your wife until you create connection with yourself. Let that sink in for a second. Because it's not just about her withdrawal, it's about your disconnection from your truth, your emotions, boundaries, needs. Sure, you want her to be open, but you're hiding. You want her to be vulnerable, but you're walking on eggshells. You want her to be close, but you've been emotionally arming up for years. And the result? She can't feel you. And if she can't feel you, she can't trust you. And if she can't trust you, then she won't open. Not sexually, not emotionally, not spiritually. Remember, you set the tone. In a mature relationship, the man is the container. You set the emotional tone. You don't control her, but you do create space. And in that space, it starts with a relationship with you. Can you sit still with your emotions? Can you speak your truth without apologizing for it? Can you hold tension without collapsing or running? Because the depth of your intimacy in your relationship will never exceed the depth of your connection to yourself. When you get clear, when you lead from grounded, honest presence, that's when she starts to relax. That's when she feels seen again, safe again, drawn to you again. So if you want real intimacy, start by facing the man in the mirror. Get real honest. Get still. Get grounded. Let's reconnect you with you first. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. After that call, I guarantee that you'll feel more grounded and more confident. In addition to that phone call, I'll also introduce you to my community of men because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls where we talk about these things. So if you're ready to become a happy man again, book that call and I'll talk to you soon.